This guide will help you download usage reports on DIS systems in a few simple steps. Follow these instructions to access your reports easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the DIS systems website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access reports. Step 2. Navigate to Reports section. Once logged in, look for the Reports section in the main menu. Click on it to view the various report options available. Step 3. Select Usage Reports. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Customize your report. Before downloading, customize your report by selecting the date range and any specific filters you want to apply. This ensures you get the exact data you need. Step 5. Download the report. After customizing, look for the download option, usually represented by a button or link. Click it to download the report in your preferred format, such as CSV or PDF. Now you can easily access and analyze your usage reports in DIS systems. Follow these steps whenever you need to download your data.